Ciao, oggi voglio portarti a vedere un bel appartamento a Quartu Sant'Elena, esattamente in via Vico. Via Vico è una strada che collega la conosciuta Viale Colombo all'altrettanto conosciuta via Fiume. Vuoi vederlo? Seguimi!
It's too late now to turn around and back again. I made my bed and now I lay my head in it. And I'm sorry I'm not perfect, but I knew that I wouldn't be. I guess it's for the best, you know the worst in me. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. And I feel misunderstood, cause I'm trying hard to love. I'm sorry, my actions, they haunt me, and I'll never live it down. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. You call my bluff, I won't pick up, I let it ring.